this Tesla website, this Apple website, this Samsung website, all these websites I have cloned in just one click. Let me show you how you can also clone any website. So first of all, open the Google and just type here web page downloader extension. You can see this is the Chrome extension. We need to install it. Let's click on add to Chrome. Let's click on add extension. Done. Let's click on this extension icon here in the top and make sure pin this extension. Fantastic. Now open a new tab and open any website. Suppose this website. Okay. Now you have to just click on this extension icon like this. Just enable the permission and then scroll down and you can see the configuration. Click on this. So once you go there, you can see the download full website, download in single HTML file, or you can download as text content. Now let's click on the start download button and let's wait some seconds. That extension will scan your website and then patch all the images and content. As you can see here, the background images progress is here, JS file progress, and it's done. Let me just open this and here we have the zip file. Just unzip this zip file and open this and open that index file. As you can see here, we have this entire website like this. That's amazing. Now we have successfully cloned the website. Now let me show you that how we can edit this. Okay. So go here and open that index.html in any code editor. It's suppose like Visual Studio. So, or you can use the Notepad also. So I'm going to go with the VS Code. Open this. And here, suppose if you want to change something. Okay. Suppose start living your life. Okay. Let's go to here. Just use the command F and just search this text. Suppose start living. And you'll see that this is the start living. I'm going to just change this to PCB or something. PCB new. Just save this. Go to your website and refresh it. You can see PCB new. It means you can clone any website and do the changes according to your requirement. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.